This lessons will explain the solutions to overcome problems while bending the reinforcement. Bar bending machine is commonly used for bending of reinforcement. Please refer to the video of bending 20 mm diameter bar. As seen in the video, the reinforcement cracked. It is commonly known fact that because of bad quality of reinforcement, it cracks. This is usually the case because carbon content in the bar is high, making it brittle. However, in this case, the bending method and specifications are not followed. As specified in Indian standard, the minimum bending diameter of the reinforcing bar should be 4D. Care must be taken, when bending is performed on a construction site, to ensure that this prescribed bend radius is allowed. To achieve this, a proper center pin diameter pinion should be used. As seen in the video, for a 20 mm diameter rod, minimum 80 mm pinion should be used. Commonly available is 100 mm. In the video, as a smaller diameter pinion is used, specifically, a 20 mm diameter is used for 20 mm diameter bar, causing failure of reinforcing steel, in spite of adequate qualities.